Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang Kim Pao TikTok compilation, at nakabalik na sila sa Pilipinas for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Uy, wait lang. Gusto ko lang din pala magpasalamat sa kaka-likes ninyo and comment ng kung ano-ano sa mga videos ko last week. Yung hiningi kong favor sa inyo, nakabalik na din naman tayo sa ating, what you call this, sa ating patutunguhan. Nakabalik tayo, dear. Nakabalik tayo. So, nare-recommend na din naman yung video natin at nagbi-build up na din naman siya ng views somehow. So, maraming salamat for that. But nonetheless, agad-agad gawa na ito ng reaction video kasi may mga unfinished business tayo eh. May mga unfinished business tayo sa Kim Pao na dapat nating malaman. Chika lang. Ang dami kong chika. Ang dami ko talagang energy for today's video. Actually, it's 6:30 in the morning here and wala akong pakialam. Magva-vlog ako bago ako pumasok sa office. Hindi mo kaya. So, without further ado, let's all watch it. Ito ata yung interview nila sa Birmingham na hindi natin napanood. Kundi ang picture lang napanood natin na nagpalitan sila ng jacket nila. Ang tanong ng bayan at ang tanong ng buong bansa. Bakit? Charis, Eme, go. Without further ado, let's all watch this.
Now, on screen.
Ay, anong tanong?
Hindi naman kami talaga binuo as love team ni Paolo. Parang
Talaga?
sa project, yun yung team up na to, parang it's very surprising na may mga nakabuo kami ng isang pamilya.
Ayusin ito yung camera natin. Mukhang pangit ako
It's not
dyan.
really a love team. It's not. Lindang isn't even a love story made our tandem.
Yes. Ay, talaga?
I'm very grateful that we've done 2 shows back to back, and there were totally 2 different genres of shows, and I
Nakamute pala ako. Nakamute pala ako. Ang sabi ko, ito yung sinasabi ko na this is the Paolo that I used to watch before. Kahit hindi pa si Kim ang ka-team up niya or kahit si Kim na before, ganitong-ganito ang gesture niya, ganitong-ganito siya magsalita in front of camera. Kaya nga ang daming mga defender tayo ng Kim Pao eh. Ang dami tayong ang daming nababasa natin na parang si Kim lang naman yung gumaganon, si Kim lang yung mga gumaganito, si Kim lang yung ganito, si Kim lang yung may gusto and everything. Because Paolo is nonchalant. Paolo is prim and proper. Paolo is an introvert person, should I say. But now, alam mo yung dilulo, sinasabi nilang dilulo daw tayo because si Kim lang yung may gusto. And si Paolo, makikita naman sa action niya na parang wala sa mood. No! Tingnan nyo. Ganitong-ganito talaga si Paolo. But as you can see, as times goes by, kung nakikita nila ngayon how Paolo acted in front of many people together with Kim, even without camera, with or without camera, the evolution, the changes, ibang-iba. Kaya, how do I say this? Yung mga haters, they cannot blame us because yan yung nakikita natin eh, the evolution, yung pag-ikot ng talang relasyon, the changes, the progress. Oh, bakit naging teacher si Akla? Di ba? Yan yung sinasabi ko.
I think the support also comes with the relatability and the feeling that some of the other shows.
Ba't ang bait dito ni Kim?
It's always nice.
Sinisiisip
to
siguro
see
ni Kim.
that in some way we
Iniisip
can
ni Kim,
give
oh my God,
and we can,
machichika na naman tayo kasi hiniram ko yung jacket mo. Charis, sino ba talaga
kabayans
nagmamayari ng jacket? Charis.
all over the world, and also especially here in Birmingham.
Okay.
Ako naman,
UK.
nagulat ako kasi parang sa airport, may sumasalubong sa amin ng banner, yung mga mukha namin nandun.
True.
And then sasabihin nila, bumiyahe kami 5 hours, munta lang dito, kayo na pa kami umaga dito. So parang yun pa lang, yung feeling na ganun yung sumalubong sa'yo, yung naghanda talaga sila, they prepared so much para sa arrival namin, is really a big thing for us na parang, na-touch natin yung lives nila, kaya sinusuportahan nila tayo. So we're very thankful din talaga.
So, Kim, you must be used to the love team, no? Nagsimula ka, you had love
Mga 3
team.
generations na ata.
But, ano daw yung sekreto ninyo sa patok na love team nyo now, on screen?
Hindi naman kami talaga binuo as love team ni Paolo. Parang sa project lang talaga na meron kami. And hanggang sa sinuportahan na lang siguro kami ng mga tao.
Mm-mm. Okay.
Yun, yung team up na to, parang it's very surprising na may mga...
Ito yung kanina.
nakabuo kami ng isang pamilya.
Ay.
Parang ganun.
Bubuo naman pala ng isang pamilya ang
It
Beth.
also
Charit!
comes with the maturity of
Bubuo naman pala ng pamilya ang
actors and
Beth.
also the maturity of
Okay.
what the role requires. The past Lin Lang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. I don't think young kids could or young actors could tackle it. I'm not saying totally, but it requires
Tingnan mo si Kim pag nakatingin kay Pao. Tingnan niya si Kim.
maturity for the people playing the actors playing the role, and maybe that's one because
Ang galing nila
it's not
magsalita.
even a love- it's not- Lin Lang isn't even a love story. It's a very dark show if you
True.
look at it. But
True that.
as I've said earlier, maybe it's the relatability of most of our kabayans and our kapamilyas that made it hit and made our tandem hit.
And this two questions is para kay Kim only. Kim, ano daw yung staying power mo? What do you think is your staying power in showbiz?
Okay.
Grabe naman, staying power.
No, because, nakita ka nila as from Pinoy Big Brother, then My Love Team, now it's like this. You're here, still here.
I think, naka-benefit ako sa PBB kasi parang I started as a young Cebuana girl. Parang my life is an open book dito sa showbiz. So parang when it comes to my personal life, alam na rin ng mga tao kung ano nangyayari sa akin, kung ano mga projects
True.
ko. So para na rin kasabay ko silang lumaki yung audience. So ako naman hindi rin naman ako madamot mag-share ng mga nangyayari sa life ko. And I think that's what feeds them also.
Exactly.
Na parang, not one feed, pero parang yun yung parang kasabay ko silang lumaki. So parang audience ko na din sila. And I grew up in front of their bare eyes. So parang,
Taray.
Kim,
I love that.
Sa PBB. Parang, binoto kita dati. Hanggang ngayon may nagsasabi pa rin sa akin,
Binoto kita dati.
Oh, thank you po.
Bayad pa yung photo dati.
May bayad pa yung photo dati.
Nag-invest sila sa'yo.
Yes, so parang yung boto nila dati, lumago na siya hanggang ngayon. So parang I give back naman to them by giving beautiful projects also, and ina-update ko din sila sa mga day-to-day life ko. And
Day-to-day life. Love
parang
that.
barkada kami lahat. Kasi naman yung mga taong sumusuporta.
Paano mo daw i-describe ang ideal co-worker mo or an on-screen partner?
Paano ko i-describe?
Oo, what is that ideal
Ay!
co-worker or
Si Paulo, hindi mapalagay.
Siyempre, unang-
Hindi mapalagay si Paulo.
Hindi mahirap.
kasama?
Pag gumaganyan yung isang introvert,
Sana, or
hindi
parang
mapalagay yan.
Umarte. Kasi parang, oo naman yung magaling, pero sana marunong yung meron siyang presence of mind. And
Ay, si Paulo, sabi niya, ako yan.
yung ginagawa niya. Yung
Sabi ni Paulo, ako yan.
Meron namang tao na hindi niya masyadong gusto yung ginagawa niya, or he or she's just doing it for work. Dapat makikita mo naman kung may passion yung tao sa ginagawa niya. Kasi nakikita naman yun sa TV or nag-reflect.
Truths.
So parang dapat gusto niya yung ginagawa niya more than magaling.
Okay.
Truths.
To Paolo,
I love that.
Ano pa daw yung mga, after this project with Kim, ano pa yung mga roles that you wish to portray as an actor?
Marami pa po akong gustong gawing gawing mga karakter, mga roles na hindi ko pa nagagawa before, pero I've always said this during my any interviews that I've been asked this question. I always tell them
Very
as long as
attentive
it's
si
new,
Pao.
it's something I haven't done before.
Very attentive
and
si
I would
Pao.
challenge them. I would consider doing it.
And what is your dream project now after this
Go.
current one?
Gusto ko yung serial killer siya.
A dream project.
Yung si Aga Mulak dati, tsaka si Chinchin
I've always
Gutierrez.
been wanting to do like a big sci-fi movie.
Kasi yun yung peg niya sa linlong eh.
It's hard to produce a sci-fi movie.
Ano ang title
There's
nun?
a lot of budget and it's just
Gusto ko si Kim patayin sa sindak si Barbara.
I would like to do a sci-fi movie.
Ay, sci-fi?
produced
Pwede
and
ba?
made.
Pwede.
Okay, last two questions.
Ay, bakit
Your
ito na lang?
takeaway from your KKK 2024
Mm.
tour from Dubai to Birmingham.
Takeaway,
Ano? Ang puso ko!
ano ba? Sobra kaming thankful and grateful.
Si Paolo
for
attentive talaga siya,
all
oh, tingnan mo,
Filipinos
oh.
abroad for supporting our shows. And kapamilya pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. They're still supporting mga palabas ng ABS-CBN. And sobra kaming happy dahil tinapos nila yung Linlang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. And then ngayon na
Tour.
nag-tour.
Tawag ni Lono.
Ang dami
Pilipinas,
nilang
buong bansa?
I'm very thankful and very
Yung
grateful
totoo.
for their time and
Pang thumbnail. Oh,
Ako yung takeaway.
Ganon, mga
from
reactor.
the
Anong react-
Bayan Festival in Dubai and here in Birmingham. Parang iba talaga ang Pinoy. Parang
Iba talaga.
discard talaga ang Pinoy.
Lalo ni Chinita.
Talaga ang Pinoy. And nakikita
Ay,
mo talaga yung
may lumabas ng ganyan.
Hindi lang
Patapos
para
na
sa
ya?
kanila, kundi para sa mga minamahal nyo sa buhay.
Ay, tapos na talaga. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. For today's video, the Kim Pao, actually that is the full interview ng kanilang Birmingham tour pa. So this is KJM Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!